Hi friends, today I am going to show you how to prepare basic 3D model in SolidWorks software. So I choose this drawing. You can see all the dimensions are mentioned in the drawing. So I will create one block, solid block first, then I will go to add material and remove material features. So if you are new for my channel, please do subscribe and support my friends. New part, okay. Select here extruded boss, select front plane, normal, select center rectangle, give the dimension. You can see the base size is 98 by 20 mm thickness. This is 98 mm. This is 20 mm. Okay. Sketch is fully defined. Finish sketch. Extruded up to 42 mm. Okay. So block is ready. You can see top side one more flange is there. For that, select right plane, sketch, normal, the radius of this arc is 21 mm and hole also is there. We can do in one sketch or we can do in a remove material feature in this hole. First I will add material and then I will do this hole. So 21 mm from this surface to center of the arc. Select circle. Give the dimension. R21 means 42 mm. This to this dimension is 21 mm. Okay, select the line. Okay. Again select the line. Okay. Select the both sketches and here you can see tangent is there. Give the tangent. This side also give the tangent. Trim unwanted material. So give the dimension here to here. Okay, no need. Give the parallel. Okay. Sketch is fully defined. Finish sketch. Extruded both the side. Mid plane. Thickness is 14 mm. Finish sketch. For all, again select this surface, sketch, normal, select circle, give the dimension is 20 mm. Sketch is defined, finish sketch. Select here extruded cut, You can give through hole here. No need. Or after surface we can give, select this surface. Okay. So hole is also done. Now you can see bottom side there is one cutout. The dimension is 14 mm each side and depth is 6 mm. Select this surface, sketch, normal, select here corner rectangle. Give the dimension. This is 6 mm and here to here 14 mm each side. The sketch is defined, finish sketch, select extruded cut. Here you can select through all. Okay. So cutout is ready. Now we can see there is a one hole that is 12 mm diameter and both side hole is there. First I will do one side hole, then I will mirror it. Normal, give the dimension. The dimension is 24 mm and center 21 mm. 24. This is 21. Diameter is 12 mm. Sketch is defined, finish sketch, select extruded cut, through hole, no need to through hole. You can give blind also. Finish. So one side hole is done. I will mirror this hole on another side. Select cutout here. You can see there is a mirror option here. Select mirror. Select the center plane. Click OK. Save the part. Control S. Save. So now we can assign the material also here. Select appearances. I will select metals. In the metal I will select steel. In the steel material you can select finishes also. So I will go to machined steel. Okay. So that's it friend, today's session. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.